Welcome to the Golden Eagle Report Home Edition for Thursday, April 16th, 2020. Here are a few announcements. Turn in your completed AMI work and library books to the blue Bookie Monster in front of Lakeside. And pick up new assignments in the yellow boxes. You can also find the assignments online at www.sdel.org. Call the school office at 750-8885 to pick up any personal items you still have at school. Breakfast and lunch are available for pickup Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 11:30 to 12:30 at Sonora Middle School, Parson Hills Elementary, and George Elementary. Here's Mr. Johnson to let you know about the virtual book club.
Well, hey, Lakeside, it's Mr. Johnson here. I need to be quiet so that grizzly bear doesn't hear me. I want to let you know that the Lakeside Book Club is still meeting. We're just meeting virtually. We meet every Friday at 2 o'clock on Zoom to hear the novel I Am Still Alive read aloud and to discuss the book. It's a survival story about a girl who gets left in the Canadian wilderness to fend for herself. Even if you haven't been part of book club in the past, I really want to encourage you to join up. I'll send out a Zoom link to your school email every Friday morning, and you can also get to the link for the Zoom meeting through the library Google Classroom page. If you need to get caught up on reading the novel, I am also posting read-alouds of the chapters almost every day. I also want to let you know we're going to be getting some copies of the book out through the mail to the teachers and students that join up. Looks like that bear hears me, so I probably should get going soon. But we'll see you this Friday from 2 o'clock until 3 o'clock for the Zoom on I Am Still Alive. Oh, and one more thing. I need to let you know that we are going to be having a Zoom meeting with the author of the novel coming up later in May. But stay safe, wash your hands. I hope I'll see you soon if the bear doesn't get me first.
Mr. Stallings is now going to show you how to use your Chromebook even when you're offline.
It is Mr. Stallings, and I am here to show you how to use your Chromebooks, and particularly Google Drive, without the internet. So the catch to this is you are going to need some internet to at least get started. So this is a great way if you have a hotspot, if you have, but you want to save data. This is a great way to do that. So I don't have a Chromebook, but I'm going to go ahead and assume that you know how to connect your Chromebook to your hotspot or the internet. So go ahead and do that. You're going to log in, and you're going to go to Google Drive. And it's a pretty easy setup. Once you're there, you are going to click on the gear up here, and it's Settings. Scroll down, and this button, you want to make sure that it is checked. It's going to create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs and Sheets, slides, and files on this device while offline. And this is going to let you do a lot of AMI work while you're offline. So I'm going to go ahead and click Done. And just to show you how this works, I'm going to go to the Springdale Schools website. Let me go to Lakeside, ljhs.sdel.org. And so this is a great way if you need, like if you're looking for an AMI packet, right? You click on the AMI packet, and she's going to think for a minute. And there we go. So we're going to pretend we're an 8th grader. Click on it. Days 21 through 30. So this is the AMI packet. And right now I've still had to have internet. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is make a copy, just so it's in my drive. And this way I can do all my editing and such. I can do all that on my Google Docs. So this is now in my drive. What I want to do, just to make sure, this should be make available offline. Document is now available offline. So this is just a little bit of internet, but what it's going to do when I turn my Wi-Fi off, which I just did, I can still type. So guys, if you have any questions about how to use this, if you have any questions about using your Chromebook offline, or if you need help, feel free to email me. My email is jstallings, STALLINGS, @sdale.org. And I'll email you back and do everything I can to help you. Have a great day, wash your hands, and be well.
And now a word from your favorite people, your teachers.
Hey guys, it's Miss Guthrie. Just checking in with you guys, letting you know how much we missed you. We hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying safe, but still doing something you enjoy, like playing games with family or going outside. Hang in there, we'll all get through this. Let us know if you need anything at all. We're happy to help.
Welcome, students. Today, on Masterpieces of Literature, we are going to look at some lyrics by Madonna. The song is entitled Material Girl. Some boys kiss me, some boys hug me. I think they're okay. If they don't give me proper credit, I just walk away. They can beg and they can plead, but they can't see the light. 'Cause the boy with the cold hard cash is always Mr. Right. 'Cause we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Some boys romance, some boys slow dance. That's all right with me. If they can't raise my interest, then I have to let them be. Some boys try and some boys lie, but I don't let them play. Only boys that saved their pennies make my rainy day. 'Cause they are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Boys may come and boys may go, but that's all right, you see. Experience has made me rich, and now they're after me. 'Cause everybody's living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Thank you, students. Next time we'll explore a true piece of classic literature. Stay safe and stay classy, students. Until next time, Mr. Scott signing off.
Hey, it's Mr. Stewman here. So one of the things I like to do when I'm at home is to go out in the backyard and read. So I'm going to show that to you right here. Fitz is going to go with us, it looks like. And well, the rest of them are going to go too. It looks like they're going to join us. So I like to go out here. Built this deck a few years ago, if you can call it that. We got this table, and looks like birds have been bombing us back here. But so anyway, I like to go over here and sit on this swing, and I like to read using my phone. So that's what I'm going to. Stupid birds. And now let's celebrate those having birthdays for the next few days. Happy birthday today to Faye Adams, Jonathan Orellana, and Ika Sakanu. Happy birthday Friday to Carter Locott and Giselle Pedraza. Happy birthday Saturday to Mariela Araujo and Riley Neal. Happy birthday Sunday to David Franco Garcia. And happy birthday on Monday to LazaRUS ANDRIKE, Samantha BERGSTROM, and Hayden Boren. Happy birthday, Golden Eagles! And that's it for the Golden Eagle Report Home Edition for today. We'll see you next time, and until then, remember, wash your hands and stay away from people!